Okay, so I told you that I would get a video together quickly and show you how to use your in-text citations while writing your body paragraph. Remember, you are not typing, you are handwriting everything, and it is due Tuesday. So this is one note card. And notice how it's labeled just as I told you it had to be. And this one is a quote. So you're going to look at the screen and see where I'm at here. So we've already got some information in here about his history. And we are going to add our quote. If you hear gaming in the background, that's just Joe playing God of War. It's no big deal. You don't have to silence it. It doesn't matter. I'm recording, just so you know, so my students will hear you. And was bitterly disappointed when his chosen art school refused to camp. Period. Not yet. End quote. Parentheses. Taylor. Comma. No comma. Taylor 6. Because that's my page number. So let me show you this. Period. So when you look on your card, you've got the source number up here, which is 1, which Taylor is the last name of the author of that source. It is a quote, so I put it in there exactly as a quote. And the page number is over here, number 6, so we put page 6 in there. Now you will want to go back through and start here at the beginning, and you'll do your ICE, right? You've got to introduce it, transition, and go through that. But that's how you would put a quote in. Then I'm going to show you another one. So I have another note card here. And this is paraphrase. Hey, Sylvia. And Sylvia's here. Say hi to my students.
Sorry.
Hello, students.
Hi.
Okay. They're upstairs.
Okay.
All right. So here's the note card with paraphrase. The next thing that we're going to do is I don't have to introduce this or anything because I've just paraphrased the information to make it add on. So the frustration that led... No, that his failure had caused led him to join the German, proper noun, army title. And then we're going to put in parentheses, it is Taylor, page 7, different page, so we have to cite it again. And it's paraphrased, it's not my own words, so that's there as well. And that's the end of the paragraph, and then there's... another paragraph started below. So that is how you will put them in, and then of course there's the transition sentence, and then it moves into the next topic and just goes on. All right, but that is what it looks like, and that is how you do your in-text citations. All right, get busy.